Now that you've made your magazine cover board with your 10 to 20 pictures or 15 to 20 pictures, you've filled out and completed your planning sheet, including adding those 4 to 5 mastheads to your Pinterest board. Now you're ready to record your screencast. What you're going to do for your screencast with this one is you're going to open up your Pinterest board to your magazine covers. And what you're going to do is you're going to explain, and you don't have to go into tons of detail, but go through and show off your 15 to 20 covers. Key things to look for would be things like this. I like this photo because it's got these really cool like drawing effect that they used probably in Photoshop, and I like the way the logo is set up. This one here, I like that they used a black and white image, but then they used color brushes on here to create this kind of watercolor splash. I like that, and I like the fact that they masked the stuff inside of the text. I really like how they flipped the image here and used this flat color. I thought that was really cool, and I like how they did the headlines for the different cover lines for the shorter articles. So this is what you'll do. You'll go through and talk about the 15 to 20 magazines. Then you'll open up your completed planning cover sheet and explain, all right, so out of all of my topics, I mean, I'm really into a lot of different things, but I chose to do this one. And with this one, I chose to do whatever it is because of this reason. I chose my audience. I kind of think of the people who are going to read this is going to be like blah, blah, blah. You'll explain that. You'll explain your magazine names, which one you think you may want to use. Maybe you've narrowed it down to 2 or 3, and then describe your images. So in your screencast, you're showing off your Pinterest board, explaining the covers, showing us the mastheads, and then using your planning sheet as if this is your presentation and explaining briefly the key things that you have filled out. And that is what you're doing for your screencast.